Good morning from our last day of the 2023 Florida RV Super Show here in Tampa, and that's super sad. We've had the very best time, but I'm excited about the video we've got in store for you today. We are going to go find a bunch of our friends and see what their favorite finds were from this year's show. Well, I guess I could start with giving you a few of my favorite things from the show, and goodness knows I couldn't pick just one. So I will say, as far as the RVs go, seeing the Brinkley was really cool. I love their design, their use of space, some ingenuity, and I'm really excited to see what they have coming down the pipelines next. As far as some other things that I just thought were can't miss kind of things, the Alliance community was amazing, and it kind of makes you want to be part of it. So maybe that's foreshadowing, maybe it's not, but we'll see. Anyways, so it was really nice to be able to talk with a lot of them and see how they interacted with each other through the whole show. Favorite food was a falafel. Can you believe it? Out of all the fair foods, falafel. So I liked it because it wasn't greasy. I'm a little biased. I love it anyways. And it was dang good. So if you're here, catch the falafels. And then the surprising thing that I really enjoyed was that I found the Budweiser Clydesdales. They're here. Can you believe it? I actually didn't even go pet them and get in on their territory. So it took a lot of self-control, but anyways, that was probably my favorite surprise.
How's it going? Well, look who we ran into.
Literally.
All right, so we're going around asking everybody, what was your favorite thing so far you've seen at the show?
Phil and Stacy.
No.
You see yourself? I guess mirrors.
Yeah,
No. I think people, because to be honest, we've only seen one RV. Although we did love that RV.
Yeah.
We did, and it's amazing. But it has to be people, because that's what we've been doing the whole time we've been here. It's meeting and greeting. It's been amazing.
Yeah, this is the opportunity that we get to say thanks to whoever is following us,
Right.
in person.
So by running them over in a golf cart?
Whatever. We got to stop.
You got to
them
get their
talk to
attention.
them.
You got to get their attention somehow. But anybody we see wearing our shirts, we try to engage with them. But it's just our way of saying thanks for this.
And there's a few of them out there. I think I've actually run about
There's a
800
couple.
of them so far this morning.
Yeah, there's a couple.
Although Battleborn does have a new upgrade that's pretty sweet. I'm just saying, they do with their new technology where you can monitor on your phone. They can
there you
actually
go.
go in and look at what's going on with your battery from where they are. So there's some new
So
stuff
we've
coming out.
also been drooling a little bit. There's a lot of shiny things here.
There are.
Yes.
But yeah, that's it. The best part is
I think we've bought 3 new fifth wheels since we've been here.
Oh, have you? Dang! Adopt us.
Yeah.
wow. Yeah.
Uh,
I didn't say I paid for
Oh, okay.
it. They're all finance. We're leveraged to the deals.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so today is Sunday. You can catch them everywhere. Also, shameless plug time.
Yes,
RV Unplugged.
that's
Oh,
right.
yes. Oh my God, we're so excited.
Team Phil.
No. Team Stacy all the way. Red. That's why he's really in red. That's the reason.
Make sure and check out the show. Also, the rally in May.
Yes.
right.
Yes.
So
it's gonna
come
be
to
a lot of
Texas, camp with us,
Yep.
boondock with us, go through this. No, not the same things we went through because
fun.
that would be
But
mean.
see
But
the season finale with us.
Come see the
We
season
can
finale.
we will all watch it together.
And if you haven't seen the RV Unplugged trailers, go over to their RV Unplugged
Yes.
YouTube page. They've got a couple of trailers. I guarantee you they'll hook you.
Oh yeah, you'll be waiting for them to come out.
good to see you guys.
Absolutely.
Thank
We'll see you
you.
later tonight.
Bye
Yeah.
guys.
All right, we found Pete West, which is half of West on the Move, and he's going to tell us about his favorite find at the show this year.
Wow. Let's see. I think my favorite find was meeting a lot of you YouTubers and stuff that we've been following for a long time, and who've been a real influence on us as far as our decision to go RV and everything else. But it does come down to the people.
Sure does.
For me, it's definitely the people.
Awesome.
So yeah,
Cheater.
yeah.
Couldn't pick a thing. You had to
I
do
couldn't
that.
think I had to do that.
You see, he gets cranky when he gets emotional. He's back
Yeah,
there with a
exactly.
little tear in his eye and everything.
Yeah. And I do apologize. My wife, Lisa, the other half of West on the Move.
Yes.
That's West with the S at the end. She can't be here right now. She's with our dogs. And then, so we're just doing our thing here at the show.
Hi, Lisa. All right, and if our followers want to find you, where can they find you?
They can find us on Facebook and Instagram right now
Mhm.
on West on the Move. And then we're working on the whole YouTube thing. That's
Excellent.
it could be soon.
All right, thank you
Yeah.
so much, and
Thank
thanks
you.
for following the channel.
Yeah, thank you very much.
All right, we ran into our friends Devin and Jameson from Outdoors Inn, and they are going to share with us their find for the show this week.
Yeah, okay, so the thing that I thought was super cool, we actually talked to someone who told us they had one of these, and then we happened to come across it. Never would have thought to go look out for one of these, but it is a Class C, and it's called Leisure Travel Vans. And they have the Unity model, and that's the one that we happened to come across. And didn't know what it was, just kind of popped in like any other rig, and we were like, whoa, what is this thing? So it's just super smooth. They make the best use of all the spaces, and there's a bit of a slide. So it's the first sort of van style RV that Jamie and I both were like, okay, we could do a summer in this thing. So yeah, super surprised to love that thing, and we're gonna go find the rest of them, check them out.
All right, and if they're interested, can they find you?
Same place they can find you guys on the YouTube.
On the YouTube.
Yeah, so we're YouTube and we're Outdoor Zens. We're on YouTube. We are not the YouTube. That would be helpful, but we're not personally the YouTube.
They are the YouTube. What in the name of everything that is holy are you wearing?
Okay, first off, if you don't know who we are, we're switching up. Because
you switched it up?
Yeah, we're switching it up. So we're doing something special at the Tampa RV show. Good old Ryan found us as we're wandering around.
You're hard to miss, man.
Yeah, we just did a music video shoot with our crew, and you'll have to watch our channel to figure out what it's going to be. But that's why this.
All right, so I'm assuming at some point you've had time to wander around the show and not do whatever you're doing.
This is going to be good, yeah. Go ahead.
So what is the coolest thing you've seen at the show so far?
Go ahead, Sheila.
Brinkley.
Da, 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 da.
Okay, so
that
now
is going to be the talk of the show besides spacecraft.
So here's the follow-up because, and a photobomb.
Photobomb.
So here's the follow-up because it's been named a couple times already.
Yeah?
What was your favorite thing about the Brinkley?
The attention to detail,
Yeah.
all the little things that they've thought through. You can tell that they spent time in an RV before they built this.
I think we are all going to make a Brinkley video because it is so made. It's already done. Yeah,
not out but done.
It is. The thing is that it is got so many different little nuances that square windows are my thing. Sheila was like,
they are.
I love that too.
The European style with the blinds that go either way. And
All the details in the kitchen. I think that I think they're going to be trendsetters, and it's going to change the industry.
And we love our Grand Design, right? Like literally. Oh, we think we have the 395.
I thought you made your own rig at this point.
Oh gosh, no. We're so small. We're not even anywhere big. He hangs around all the big wigs. We're the little ones. But anyway.
We are not talking about this because you're a family show too, right?
Anyway, yeah, we are just super stoked to see something different that can transform. And I think a lot of the other RVs pick up some of those to include, and that's exciting to us. Yeah.
Switch It Up website is GoSwitchItUp.com. There was no question mark on the end, like how I said it.
Yeah.
We love you guys.
See ya. Thank you. We ran into Chris and Katrina
Thank you.
from our Everyday Getaway. Also, a little TV show coming out that we're all big fans of. All right, guys, you've been at the show now for a few days.
Yes.
What's the one thing that was like, oh, that's awesome?
I got to tell you, for me, it was the Brinkley fifth wheel, the new startup company.
Yep.
They haven't been around that long. Checked out their new fifth wheel line, the prototype, and the fifth wheel. Well, the prototype is the toy hauler.
Yep.
And then their fifth wheel. Was really impressed with what we saw. Was impressed with the quality, the little attention to detail.
Yep.
It was impressive. We heard a lot of things about it. Had to go over and check it out, and it was great. We really liked it.
I may have blown that up in proportion. Like, you gotta go, you gotta go, you gotta go.
And you know we hightailed it right there.
So, all right, subcategory. Second question, surprise question. Favorite thing on the Brinkley?
Oh, well, this is kind of like...
The hardware for me is any of the hardware is beautiful.
I got a kick out of the paper towel holder. I don't
Isn't
know.
that? Yeah.
I just got a kick
The
out of
little
it. I
bee
don't know
on
what
it?
to... Yes, I like the way that you open up the drawer, and it's in the drawer, out of the way. It's not on the counter. It was just a little thing, but it's the attention to detail.
Yep.
And I just got a kick out of it. I thought, how ingenious was that? It was great.
These are great people. Everyday Getaway, our Everyday Getaway on YouTube.
Yes.
Where else?
Facebook and Instagram.
So exactly the same as us.
Giddy up.
With that being said, I'm going to giddy up.
All right.
All right, we found Pam and Ken Smith from TheROADSmiths, and they're going to share with us what their favorite find from the show was.
You go first, lady.
Okay. I love it all, but I'll have to say my favorite so far has been the AC area where the Prevo is. Definitely today.
Yes, it is hot.
That was good.
And what about you?
I would just say the community of people that we've met, and everybody's like-minded and just friendly and willing to help and everything, and then seeing some of these other YouTube channels that we've followed for a while, and then people that actually follow us, and it's kind of surprising, and everybody's willing to help each other and just a big community.
Absolutely. And if our followers want to find you, where can they find you?
TheROADSmiths, one word, just TheROADSmiths on YouTube, Instagram. Actually, Instagram, it's ROADSmiths too, and then Facebook as well.
Awesome. Thank you guys so much.
And fellow Texans.
That's right. Yeah. And we can both support the Italian restaurant up by Texas Motor Speedway.
Right by Texas Motor Speedway.
Delicious.
Good stuff.
All right. We found our friends Rhonda and Jim from R&J RV Adventures, and they are going to fill us in on what they found this week.
So this is our first Tampa show, so obviously when you walk in, it's like, oh my God.
Right.
We're used to the State Fair of Texas, so we're kind of used to walking a lot, but wow. Everything we see is just incredible. Getting to see all the different brands, the quality from one brand to the other is awesome. And I'm liking the European influence in some of these RVs.
Yeah. Excellent.
So it's just taking it all in, seeing all the new things. What would you say?
I like that we found some other brands other than the two we've been looking at with Grand Design and Alliance. We found other brands that have the same kind of floor plan that have really nice, fit and finish that we like. So
awesome.
All right. I'm holding you to it.
Okay.
Lauren asked for one thing, and you beat it around the bush long enough. What's the one really cool thing?
The one-man band.
Okay,
so I was looking for him like yesterday or day before.
How about this? Being able to walk in rigs that I know we will never, ever be able to afford.
Yes.
That too.
We'll count it.
Okay. In all fairness, I gave 4 favorites, so there's that too.
I'm a rambler on camera, so.
Yes, he is.
And
edit him down.
if they want to find you, where can they find you?
So you can find us on YouTube at R&J RV Adventures, on Facebook at R&J RV Adventures,
And Instagram is RNJ_RV_Adventures 94.
There you go. Just scan that.
Scan it.
Scan that guy. And then you can find them.
Very good. Thank
I
you
love it.
so much.
Thanks, guys. It's great seeing you all again.
We ran into a few more friends. Joel and Tanya, what's the coolest thing you've seen so far at the show?
Go ahead.
Probably getting to see an Airstream and seeing how spacious they are inside.
An Airstream?
I've never been able to do that before, and that was really cool.
So, what about the Airstream? I mean, I know it's shiny and you said it's big, but it doesn't have any slides, so that makes no sense. But
it's super airy inside. Like it just feels
it's all the
open.
metal.
Yeah, it's a metal. No, I think what it is you think, coming from a fifth wheel, having slides, you go, oh, I need slides for the space. And you walk in there, and don't ask me how they've done it, but the ability to make it feel like it's spacious without there being a lot of space.
Cool.
That makes sense.
They utilize the space well.
Yeah,
for sure.
There you go.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Where can people find you online, whether it's YouTube, Instagram, you name it?
This is our adventure. It's THIS_OUR_adventure.
It'll be on the screen.
Yeah, sorry, it's complicated.
It's okay. On Instagram, right?
On Instagram.
Perfect. And I've heard there might be something coming.
Might be some YouTube coming. We'll see. He's finally talking me into it.
There you
we'll
go.
see.
We'll put their descriptions down below with everybody else. Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much.
All right, surely by now you know Chris and Martha Peters, some of our very best friends.
Wait,
and
who is that? You're too ugly to be with her. No.
Otherwise known as Venturesome Couple. And they found something kind of unique that is their favorite. Go ahead.
Yeah, so this year's a little different. We went to the Tampa RV show last year and it was kind of overwhelming, but this year I actually wanted to meet Aaron and Archer. So I'm going to have Ryan link all the details down below about him. But actually, I really wanted to meet Archer. So he is a service dog, and there's so much more information that I don't want to get wrong telling you right now, but they are an amazing duo.
Martha was absolutely beyond excited that they were going to be at the show and sought them out for the first 4 days that we've been there until she got a chance to meet them. So this has been an awesome experience for her.
Yeah, so they have, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and all that. And I originally found them on TikTok, and then he said, hey, go follow us on Instagram. And I was like, oh, so they got me. So I was like, I like that trick. So they are Jayco brand ambassadors, but they invited Chris and I to go camping with them. So
Fun.
RV community.
There you go. And if you haven't already, come find these guys on.
So we are on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook.
Got it. Venturesome Couple, Chris and Martha. All right, thank you guys.
Thank you.
I know Lauren started this video off by talking about us asking a bunch of people that we know, YouTubers, non-YouTubers, Instagrammers, everybody, what their favorite things they saw at the RV show. Lauren also started that video off by going over some of hers. I actually, at the time I'm shooting this, don't have any clue what she said, so this will be interesting in post-production. So what's my favorite part about coming to the Florida RV Super Show? It's you guys, by far. It's my one thing. That's the relationships, the getting to meet everybody. We've met so many people this week that we had no idea. You know, when we started this, we knew we were going to be a smaller channel, and we're perfectly fine with that. We don't mind it, you know, but I stare back at my own reflection in that little aperture ring that's inside that camera right there. And, you know, we see comments, we talk to people through that, but it's not a face, it's still just a name. And for people to come up and say their name and for us to instantly recognize it is awesome. It never in my wildest dreams did I think that we'd have a channel or do anything that enabled us to get to know people from virtually everywhere. I think the furthest away was Ottawa, Canada. They were down here for the show. They were wintering down here in Florida, so they came to the show, and they'd followed us since about 800, 900 subscribers. And so it's great to actually put faces to names and have conversations. We handed out well over 150 stickers, which, again, for that many people, and I know not a lot of people got to come to the show, but it's absolutely awesome. So that's my favorite part, the people. So if you were at the Tampa show and you came and said hi, thank you. If you saw us walking around, even if we didn't see you and you didn't say hi, interrupt us, stop us. I'm telling you, it's the most rewarding thing ever for us to have someone come up and say thank you for shooting the videos, thank you for doing all of those things, and it's rewarding. And for us to get to know you guys better, we've said from day one, this is about y'all, not us. We just happen to be the vessel. So the good, the bad, the ugly, the frame bent things, you name it. We'll share it all because we want everybody to A, either get entertainment out of it, or B, learn something for their own experience. So with that being said, it's driving time. So we're leaving the show a little early. So make sure and stick around for next week because boy, do we have a travel day for you. Until then, we'll see you next time. Bye, Mom.